Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Thank you for being here with me today. I will be sharing the beautiful sweet strawberry papers and die cuts and the pretty cards I have created with this. So let's get started. This is a wonderful bundle pack of 8 by 8 double-sided papers and 4 die cut sheets. The die cut sheets you can also buy individually in my shop, but the paper pack is only available in these bundles. So I was so happy when I saw these beautiful images. Let's go through the papers quickly. So we have an 8 by 8 paper pack, and it's a booklet with 8 by 8 papers. There is some inspiration here, and there are double-sided. So this is just a quick flip through, and look how lush these strawberries are. That is one of the prettiest paper packs I have seen from FindIt. So beautiful. Unfortunately, when I crafted, the paper packs weren't in yet, and I show you a different paper pack that also worked, but yeah, I wish I would have had that, and I will definitely craft more with it. Look how beautiful it is. And then on the back cover, or actually on the last page, you also have cutter parts, which you can use your dies to cut out at least the circles if you don't want a fuzzy cut. If you have the die cut sheets, then you really don't need these, but you can use them. And if you don't want a fuzzy cut, there's another beautiful paper here on for the strawberries. So that is the 8 by 8 booklet, and then there are 4 die cut sheets, and they are all available in this bundle but also individually. And look how gorgeous they are. I think this is so delicious looking. Here we have the marmalade, or the here's a cocktail, a strawberry float, a strawberry cake, strawberry stands here. Look at this, like a farm stand. So beautiful. Each of these sheets have 3 embellishments with all the different layers. So we got 1 embellishment here, a 2nd embellishment, and the 3rd one always sits at the bottom. Look at this lush fruit basket, and then all the different layers all numbered so that you can just push them out and then stack them with foam pads. So this is the bundle. Let me show you what I have created with this. And here is my first card, and this is just a regular size card, A2 on a white card blank. I added papers that I thought would match because, again, I didn't have the booklet full of the pretty strawberry papers. And what I have used instead was this fruit stand paper pack. This is also a bundle that comes with all kinds of frames and tags, but this is the paper pack. We're not going to do a flip through right now, but you can see the papers here. It has all kinds of different fruit papers. There is a strawberry paper here, and you can see this green paper. This white paper with the green branches is what I have used here. So also what I have used is the sweet strawberries that came from the top of the die cut sheet. So I just cut it out and used it as an embellishment. So this is my first card, and I think it came out so cute. I just love the preserves here, and they look so delicious. And I added some stickles, of course, which on the strawberries, it looks like sugar. Isn't that beautiful? So first card I did with the fruit stand. It is available if you're interested. It has like really cute other forms of fruit in there. Here is the strawberry pie. Look how cute that looks and how delicious. So again, from that 6x6 paper pack I just showed you, I used the strawberry paper here on this double Z fold card. Now the double Z fold card, you can of course create yourself, and this is how it stands. Has a lot of interest. I did create this myself, but I had a great sample, and the sample was from the photo play, and here it is, the double Z cards. And once you have these, you can always make more because you see exactly the dimensions, and you can keep one as a sample in your stash, and then you always have the cards you need. There are so many different ones. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, here I mimicked the double Z card and added a yummy here. This is also from the fruit stand package. Okay, so next I have an easel card, and here it is. This is how it stands up. This easel card is also a card blank from Photo Play. Let me find it. So here it is, and you do get everything you need to make this beautiful easel card. It is an A2 card. You get the card blanks, you get the stopper. So this is what I have created with it. Now here I have again paper from the fruit stand paper pack. I got this delicious strawberry milkshake here. And then on the inside, I used some papers. I created a panel here to write. And then Enjoy Your Day is actually from this little die cut pack by Studio Light. So let me share that with you. I have been using these two die cut pads all spring long and into summer. These are by Studio Light. It's called the Essentials, and they have frames in there. It's all die cut. So frames and toppers, cute little toppers, but also sentiments. And the sentiments are up here. And we have the floral pastel frames, which is more in the blue, the yellow, and the green. And then the hydrangea frames, same thing. Lots of different frames, toppers, and then also at the end some, and you can see I used it a lot, some sentiments. So these are, I only have like very limited quantities. They're almost gone. But that's what I have used here for my stopper, and it says Enjoy Your Day. And isn't that an Enjoy Your Day card with this beautiful drink and cocktail here. And here are all the card packs that are currently available. So the easel card, then we have the double Z cards, we have waterfall cards. There's also a pack with waterfall cards in slimline. There is brand new the pop-up card, and there are always examples. And what I really like is you do have step-by-step instructions in here when you open it up, so you're never lost. And then last but not least, the flip-flap pocket cards. And these will be so cute for Christmas. So I stocked up on those, and they're available for you. And remember, once you have this pack, you basically don't have to buy it again, because you can use the at least one card as a sample and then create your own just using the dimensions that you have. Moving on with my next card, Oh Happy Day, is from the Cartabella fruit stand package. And look at all the different strawberries here and how wonderful they look. I added a little bit of bling. And then this is just a white card blank. You won't have the problem finding papers if, of course, you buy the bundle, because you have that beautiful strawberry paper pack. But, of course, you can always find something if you have a large stash like I do. Then there is one more. This one here is a square card. And I used some almost black, it's more like a dark gray glitter cardstock, created a frame, and then used these beautiful strawberries here. I used, like I said, the stickers, but I think glaze would also look delicious on there. Moments of Joy is coming from the, again, from the fruit stand. And this is just a 5.5 by 5.5 square card. And I made one more card, and this is a floating panel card. And I think this is also a great way to display these beautiful toppers if you have more than one. So on one side, I have the strawberries here, and on the other side, a saying. This little cut apart card is also, again, from this cute bundle. It is so summery, very, very nice. And yeah, if you're interested in these floating panel cards, I have a video, and I can link it below, where I show you what the dimensions are and how I created those. The butterfly is from a butterfly pack from Little Birdies, which is also available, and I will go ahead and link it below. This will be my giveaway card for today's session, and all you have to do is comment on my video, give me a thumbs up, and be a visible subscriber to my channel. But I believe these make beautiful summer cards, and I also offer my cards in value packs on my website. So if you like them, just head over there and check out what I have available. This is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.